Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So that today we'll be having totally different project. So the project name is that using NLP, that the natural language processing system. We have to create one project related to it, right? So the project name is that our text summarization. So what it will do actually, what we are achieving it, right? So take a long paragraph or article as an input and generate a short summary for the example that we have given here. That input like 4 5 10s are right here, and then output that giving you a short thing, right? As keep it as a notes. So first of all, as we do the same time, that make sure you have a Python installed, install the required libraries, like like that, and importing the libraries here. NLTK means it's the API, you can say, that getting uh, downloaded from the server, and write a summarization in the function. So here's the summarization function: text and the summary length, that would be 2 sentences, and words function, stop words, words function, word frequency, for loop, condition, calculate the sentences score based on that, and afterwards text the summarization function. So that's what we are doing here. Run the project. Expected output seems to be like that. Explanation, I have to go through that, the code. So first of all, look for the tokenization. So the text is split into sentences and word using send underscore tokenization and the word underscore tokenization. So splitting the sentences into words, right? And stop words removal. So like the is was something like that, we can remove it, right? Remove the, because they don't add much meaning to the summary until unless they talk about past, present and future. Word frequency, you can look for its frequency of the each word is calculated, words that appear more often and considered more important, right? Sentences scoring, so each sentence is scored based on the frequencies of the word it contains, right? So summary generation, the top end sentences with the highest scores are selected to form the summary here. Why is this useful? So you can use this program to quickly summarize long article, essays or documents. It's a great way to learn the basics of NLP and text processing. So again, looking for it. So what we are achieving with this, right? And future, look for it. So as I told you, the very first beginning time that the NLP program, so is that the natural language processing. You can say that the computer is a system that analyzes natural language data like speeches or text to perform tasks like translation, summarization, and the sentiment analysis. So three things were there. So translation and the sentiment analysis we have to be covered up. Now this is gonna be for the summarization things. And again, you can go for it. The how how they work actually. So they train on a large amount of language data using machine learning or deep learning techniques. The model learn the fundamentals characteristics from language and use them to understand new sentences or phrases. NLP model can use probabilistics method and the predefined rules and dictionaries to analyze and generate natural language data. Looking for it for the more types. So natural language understanding, natural language generation, natural language processing, natural language interaction, right? So leverages an array and advance of the, right? Can go for it. It will behave the same, right? No, not wrong. Let me run this. Yeah, great question to have these things. So automation text summarization can be helpful for this. So this program takes a long piece of text and generates a shorter version. So save the time by quickly extracting key information from the long document. Learning NLP basics. So splitting text into sentences and word. Stop word removal. So filtering out commas, words that don't add much meaning. Word frequency analysis. So identifying important word based on how often they appear, right? Ranking sentences based on their importance. So these are the fundamental concepts in NLP that form the basis of more advanced technique. Building a simple yet functional tool like that. Future possibilities, improve summarization qualities, like that we can look for it. So a simple yet function text summarization tool that extract the key information from the text. And future possibility that the summarization quality add multi lingual means that supports anyone can understand, build the user interfaces and integrate with the other NLP tasks as well. So guys, hope that I make you understand what is our project would be, and the next session will be execution thing. So is that our project is running fine or not, we'll be getting it into the next session. So that for that, that's all of my time for the today. See you in the next, catch you in the next, and then bye.